everyone. I'm Ludi Shadowspeaker, Real Estate Extraordinaire. Today, I'm bringing you Strategy 1, the Modern Urban Resort, right here in Emeryville, California. Let's start with the asset. This is a refreshed 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo, 743 square feet, inside the highly sought after Bridgewater community. You've got fresh paint, new carpet, stainless steel appliances, and yes, in-unit laundry, a major win at that price point. Now, the standout feature. This home has one of the largest private fenced-in patios in the entire complex, a true outdoor expansion of your living space, and it opens directly to the greenbelt, giving you privacy, fresh air, and room to breathe. And because it's Bridgewater, you're living with resort-style amenities every day. Pool, spa, fitness center, community spaces, and 24/7 security. Let's talk location. Emeryville is one of the Bay Area's most strategic commuter hubs. You are minutes away from the Bay Bridge, steps from the free BART shuttle, and surrounded by Trader Joe's, Target, and the public market food hall. Convenience, access, lifestyle, all in one place. If you're looking for value, location, and long-term potential, this is a home you don't want to overlook. I'm Ludi Shadowspeaker, Real Estate Extraordinaire, helping you see not just where you live, but how you live.